Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about triple integrals. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have dz, so we don't have z in here. The integration of this one, we have s multiplied by z, and we put the bounds from 0 to number 3. Now I will put number 3 gone here, number 0 gone here. So we have s multiplied by number 3 minus 0 in here. So we simplify and we have 3s. Next, we can use about polar coordinates. So I will put about s equals to r cosine theta, y equals to r sine theta, dy dx we change by r dr d theta. Now we need to consider about the bounds in here. So we have dy, that means y is greater than or equals to negative of the square root 1 minus s square, and smaller than or equals to the square root of 1 minus s square. The next one we have the s, so s is greater than or equal to number 0 and smaller than or equals to number 1. Now we need to wrap about this one. So we put the power 2 for the both sides, and we have y squared equals to 1 minus s squared. And I will put this one go to the left. And we have the formula of the circle. So we have s minus a, everything to the power of 2 plus y minus b, everything to the power of 2 equals to r squared. So in this situation, the center that is about AB and r that is about the radius. So in this situation, we don't have a and b in here. So the center that is about 0, 0. And the radius that is about number 1. Now we need to wrap about this one. So this one we have number 1. This one we have number 1. This one we have negative number 1. This one we have negative number 1. And now if we look carefully about this one, we see that the square root of 1 minus s square, that is about this one in here, and negative with the square root of 1 minus s square, that is about this one in here. The next one from 0 to number 1, that should be about this one. So the region we need to concentrate, that is about this one. And now we can change about this double integrals in here. So this one about x, we change by r cosine theta. dy dx, we change by r dr d theta. About dr, that is about the radius of the circle. So we have number 0 to number 1. About d theta, we start in here and we stop in here. So we can use about trigonometric circle. So this one we have negative b over 2, and this one we have positive b over 2. So we put negative b over 2 gone here and positive b over 2 gone here. And now we need to calculate this one. So r and r, we have r square. The integration of 3r square in here. With the r, we have r to the power of 3. And we put the bounds from 0 to number 1. So we put number 1 going here, number 0 going here. And we just have number 1. So I'll just write about cosine theta. The integration of cosine theta, we have sine theta. And we put the bound from negative b over 2 to positive b over 2. And we have number 2. This is the end. Thank you for watching.